Hello students, welcome back to Dr. How. In today's video, we are going to learn about the parts of the small intestine with the help of quick and easy mnemonic that you can see on the right side of the screen, that is DJ is playing an I music. Let's get started. We are going to learn that the small intestine is the longest part of our digestive system. It measures around 6 meters in length, and it plays a very important role in digestion and absorption of nutrients. Small intestine has three main parts. The first one is duodenum. The second one is jejunum. The third one is ileum. Discuss about duodenum. This is the first part of the small intestine and it's shaped like a letter C. As you can see on the right side of the screen, duodenum is just shaped like a letter C. It's about 25 centimeter long. Let's move toward our next slide. What are the main functions of duodenum? The main function of the duodenum is it receives food from the stomach along with bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. These secretions help break down fats, protein and carbohydrates. You can think of duodenum as the mixing chamber where food is mixed with digestive juices. Now let's move toward our next part of the small intestine, that is jejunum. This is the middle part of the small intestine, about 2.5 meter long. Its wall has many folds and villi, which greatly increases the surface area. Now let's discuss about the main function of the jejunum. The main function of the jejunum is absorption of most nutrients like sugars, amino acids and fatty acids. You can remember it as the nutrient absorption zone. The last part of the small intestine is ileum. The last and the longest part is about 3.5 meter long. About its main function. It continues the absorption process, especially vitamin B12 and bile salts. The ileum then connects to the large intestine through the ileocecal valve. You can think of it as the final checkpoint for nutrient absorption before food enters the large intestine. So remember the three parts of the small intestine in a quick and easy way. Here is the trick that I have for you. So the first part is duodenum, the second part is jejunum, and the last part is ileum. So here is the mnemonic that you have to remember, students. It is DJI. Here is the image that will help you to remember this mnemonic, is that DJ is playing a I music. So DJI is the mnemonic for the parts of the small intestine. D stands for duodenum and J stands for jejunum and I stands for ileum. This mnemonic will help you remember the parts of the small intestine. You can take a screenshot of this image so it will help you remember the mnemonic. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dr. How for more easy medical learning with mnemonic. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.